Airway partner, here is Rainbow Ridge. For fun and for excitement, don't you forget to take me on a train ride. There is nothing like the rain in the whole wide world. To the mine train, feel the Arctic bridge, Rainbow Desert, stand chalk, going prizes. Travelers must be coyotes, several captains never laid his eyes on. If you're lucky, pass the theater ride. Home of the rice meal, right down your soul. Tons of water, every color of the rainbow, for the arm as a side. You'll be real rad toying that little old arm, no, on the ride. Sit down. Ah, please, one of the bed. Oh boy! Oh! Oh, for the dead heard it all, did it? Howdy, folks. On the rainbow down the Rainbow Ridge. We way to nature's wonderland. We head for the wilderness. I have a couple of suggestions. Please stay seated. Get your hands on inside the train. The animals get mighty hungry. And no smoking, please. I don't want to start a forest fire. Now beyond these hills lies nature's wonderland. Well, you see a whole lot of wild, a real sharp hunter's eye. Come out of this first tunnel, we're entering Beaver Valley. It looks like they're building another dam. Or it says busy as a beaver. Climbs over the tunnel must be a hoop with a gal. Can't say little one now. You never go under beneath or get secondly. We're coming around big thunder. When we go, can't say blame them. If you ever go beneath the water before, you get sick. The mother 2 points become the Queen sisters. Working at Jason because they're always babbling. We're coming to bear country now, folks. I said you gotta hold real still. Two coming songs last. You know, bear sounds are the playful one there is. They're lazy too. All they do around is scratch and fish. That is when they ain't sleeping, you know. Nature's Wonderland is another pretty time. You got a pretty rug. Week of outside in the wilderness is struggling for survival. Only the long sometimes are lucky. Ooh. Now see, across the bank somewhere high tech. Now there's a real struggling for survival. Stags are bounding for the cotton wealth. Your folks tell me this though, that some of them means that you're the friends that you're the loser. Yeah, now. As we pass through Art Ridge, you can see Karen does it down below. You know the reasons that are dry in front of all the mean barns. Dry windows for pigs, the mama lamps. The desert's got a beauty too. Streets are running through the sandy. Let's call Coco. And ready call in Chewbacca. Now the head of this, folks, is the Subaru Captain Forest. 10 pays to get past. 2 strange paths to get back through animals. Sometimes even people. Look down there on the left. Is all caught up with Mr. Mono. Weak is kind of a stick situation. Ow! Hey, ever hear the devil's paint pots? Oh, that's in all kinds of colors. This is Geyser Country too. Oh, there she blows. Sure got a job, watch your own rainbow. Look out now. You never know when she's gonna go on to the Fort on Ridge. Look out now! Mostly cars be ready. Honey rainbows again. I heard a tale a long time ago. Dinosaurs roamed this. Only of course by now this. Snakes and coyotes. Sometimes there's some to reach Bona. Each and every animal. There's the voice of the desert. Now folks, we're going to Rock and Balance Rock Canyon. Here's where humble. Watch out the wildcat lady. Rainbow, Oh, see up there. We know these critters to take a deer more than hundreds signs of weights. You know, last trip, short right on the tunnel. Oh, there's one now. Better all be real quiet. Now we're going deep into the years, passing Rainbow Cavern. You see giant steam monks with that tight and colorful on every side. Say, you look real carefully. You see Geyser Gridle in the witch's cavern. Ooh, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah. Well, I see we're going back to Rainbow Ridge. I'll enjoy your trip and a nature's wonderland. Please, this senior seats till again. Will you Scott, will ya? Lift the jump seat in the middle of the... Come right over. Now for the exit, folks, just head right of the train. Imagine sitting right next to ya. Just tell him to hop out and back to his own stomping. Well, thanks for riding along. We're beginning out by the frontier. And so long.